Welcome back, guys. We are looking at more word problems today, but today we are looking at multi-step word problems. So here we go. We are back in Mr. Bob's game shop, and this time there is a new snowboard game and a new ski game that just came out that all the kids are lining up for. And 3 friends want the snowboard game, 4 friends want the ski game. The snowboard game costs $11, and the ski game costs $15. So they want to know how much money will they spend in all. So let's cube it, figure out what we need to know, and then let's take this apart piece by piece. So we know that there are 3 friends that want the snowboard game, and that snowboard game costs $11. And I'm going to actually do this in different colors. I hope you guys can see the different colors. And I have 4 friends that want that ski game that costs $15. So now that I've figured out what the friends want, and I did the snowboard in blue and the ski game in brown, just kind of organize my thoughts in my head, I am going to underline that question, how much will they spend in all? And there's my favorite thing to look at, that in all. It tells me that I'm going to have to add at some point. And how much? And I think, you know what? I'm gonna box snowboard game cost, because I think that's important, and ski game. All right, so there's all my important things that I want to do. Next step is the equation, but let's figure out what we need. Let's break it apart. So I'm going to start with just the snowboard game. I'm going to take this piece by piece. I know that there's 3 friends. I'm going to write snowboard. There's 3 friends. And it is, how much money? $11 each. Okay? So, how can I solve this? Well, if it's $11 each, this word right here tells me that I can multiply to help figure out my answer. So I think in this case, I want to kind of loops and groups it and do some repeated addition. So I'm going to do, here's one friend. There's their $11 that they're going to have to spend. Second friend has $11 also. Third friend has $11 to spend too. So now I'm going to take these 11s and I'm going to use repeated addition to figure out how much the snowboard friends are going to have to pay. So I've got 11 plus 11 plus 11. Well, 11 plus 11 is 110 plus 110 is 2 10s. 1 1 plus 1 1 is 2 1s, so it's 22. And then I'm going to do that 22 plus 11. 2 10s plus 1 10 is 3 10s. 2 1s plus 1 1 are 3 1s. So my snowboard friends are spending $33. I can absolutely write this as a multiplication equation. So I can take my 11 for my 3 friends, because that's my group, times 11. That's how much is in the group, because that's how much it costs. 3 times 11 equals, well, 33. But I'm not done yet, because I've still got all those friends that want the ski game. So I'm going to do my ski game on this side, and I'm going to use the other color. All right, ski. And let's see, how many friends wanted that? Oh, 4 wanted the ski. And those cost $15 each. And there's my favorite word, each, because everybody has to pay $15 for the game that they buy. So I'm going to just box that each, because I think it's a great keyword to use here. So I'm going to go back through and, you know, at this time I think I'm just going to skip the loops and groups and go right to the addition. So I have to take 15 and add that 15 for each friend. So 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. I know 15 plus 15. Well, 110 plus 110 is 2 times, but I have that 5 ones plus 5 ones. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 plus 20 is 30. And then 15 plus 15 is 30 again. 30 plus 30 is 60. 3 tens plus 3 tens is 6 tens. So, can I write this one as a multiplication equation? Absolutely. 4 friends. How many groups I have? I have $15 in each group. And that equals 60. Oops. But I'm not done yet, because I found the total of the snowboard game and I found the total of the ski game, but I need to find how much money they're spending in all. So I've done multiplication, multiplication, and now I'm going to take those two answers, and in all tells me I need to add. So I'm going to take that $33 and I'm going to add it to my $60. And then I can solve. I'm going to use standard algorithm. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. And then we have to remember dollars. So they spend $93 in all. So when you come to those multi-step problems, take it apart, break it up completely, and then you can put it together in the end. All right, guys, if you need anything, don't forget you can send us a note. Bye.